on a cold November night. I met my missus right. My feelings come to life again. My feelings come to life. I didn't care. I just saw her standing near. Made my feelings come to life again. She's my missus right. My one and only one. My one and only.
Hello my darling Fumi Nation, how are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. Today's exercise is going to be the inner thigh, that jiggly part that we get. And I'm going to show you what I have done, and the jiggle no longer jiggled, and it gave me more confidence to wear shorter dresses, shorter skirts, because I was like, ooh, for me, I'm living for the thigh. To the point that I love these long sheer maxi dresses because I know that the thighs are fine. So we have few exercises that we're going to stand, and then the rest is going to be on the floor. All right, my darlings, how are you guys? How's everything going? I am loving this relationship we're having with the fitness. I'm living for it. And you keep on letting me know down in the comment section what else you want me to do. But this is a solid exercise and I live and I love. So we're going to do what? We're just going to do squats. So just squat down. There we go. Squat down and bend and come right up. And then when we come up, you're going to squeeze on the inside. All right, here we go. Squeeze, squeeze. 3, we're going to do 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We're going to do that again, but this time we're going to go on our tippy toes. And you squeeze on the inside because you're really stretching it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And walk it out. Walk it out. There you go. You should have felt that. That was like a good start. Good job. All right, darlings, this is the last one standing, okay? Keep your feet apart, and what you're going to do is that you're going to walk your knee to the left and to the right. You're going to keep your hands up, yeah? And then you're just going to go from one side to the next. And you're going to keep your core, that's your tummy, flat. And you're going to focus the muscle on your inner thigh. So every time when we move to the left or to the right, you focus on that inner thigh. We'll just do 20 and then we'll go on the floor, okay? Remember, this is the beginner class. Don't worry about it. They're going to get intense when we use weights in the next class. So here we go. Yeah? Ready? Are you ready? Keep it positioned so you don't slip. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're going to feel it, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, another 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, just think of the shorts, 2, 1. You know, I'm not going to pretend. You know, you see these exercise classes and they're just doing it effortlessly. It's a lie. It burns. It burns. All right, get your mat, my darlings, and we are going to the floor. All right, my darlings, so we're going to be on the floor. Ula, say hi.
Hi. Can't see me.
No, they can't see you. And we're going to start to do some inner thigh exercises, yeah? So I want you to put your right foot, your top leg rather, to the side, like so. Stretch this one out, and we're going to work the inner thigh by lifting it, okay? We're going to do exercises where we have our foot stretched out this way. You feel it right away. And then we're going to point. But let us start with, let us say, 10. Okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You feel the burn, mama. You feel the burn instanta. Then we're going to point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wasn't that fire? And we're going to do the same thing on the other leg. So have that one bent down, and then here we go. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Give each leg a rest up. Do 3 sets, because these are really the best inner thigh workout as far as I am concerned. And you can also add what? Add weights. But let's start with this. So here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go again. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your foot pointing straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic job. All right, here we go again. Yeah, this is the last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And bring it down. Bring them together. Good, good, good job. Now you can lie down for this. And what we're going to do, we're just going to lift up the legs. Yes? So you're going to do up here. Yeah? Let's do 3 sets of 8. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to bring it into you, almost try to reach your face, because you want to focus onto the muscle here, okay? And then you stretch out, yeah? So 1, out, 2, out, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you should be feeling it on the outside hip and on the inside. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Instantly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I want your muscles to get used to it, because tomorrow, the day after, you're going to feel the burn. And make sure that you're in the best of health. Let your doctor sign you off that you can do things, that you are fit enough to do this. Okay? Now, do you remember when we had our foot here and we were lifting our inner leg, our inner thigh? We're going to put our foot in front of us. This gives resistance to that thigh, and we're going to lift it up. Okay? If you need to hold your foot, not a problem. And we're going to do a set of 10. Okay? 1, you're going to feel it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait for the punchline. This one is a beast, but we're not. Inner thighs will lift it. You're going to lift your leg up. It's not going to touch the floor this time. And you're going to do mini 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Good girl. Good girl. I know it worked. You're going to give me one more, okay? Don't worry, we're almost done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Beautiful. So remember, you're going to put the foot in front of you this time. This adds much more resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alrighty. Now the little babies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Flawless. This one, you're just going to keep your feet in front of you and spread it out like so. Yeah? And hold your tummy in. Let's do 8, okay? And you squeeze when you come back in, like you have a ball in between your legs, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yep, 11 and 12. Lie back down and bring your legs up, yeah, and let's squeeze in. 1, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Food muscle right there. Yeah, it happens to us. It does happen to us. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Calm down. Calm down. That had to have burnt. All right. So we're going to do another set and then we are done. Good job. Good job. Okay. Keeping your core. And then here we go. And bring it in and squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's burning. I'm tired today. 9, 10, 11, and 12. Keep them up there. Bend your feet. Good job, my darlings. Good job. These are intense, but when I tell you, you'll see them. Love it. I love this inner thigh workout. We'll do the outer thigh also. And again, like I said, we'll do intense and then we'll do advanced and we'll do them with weights. Okay? All of my love. Take care. Ah.